Topic is cashless economy. Cashless economy or cashless India is a mission started by the government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Honorable Sri Narendra Modi and is part of Digital India program, which is in vogue with aim of reducing the dependence on cash of Indian economy and revealing black money and revealing black money. So basically, the cash economy is cashless India is a mission started by government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Honorable Sri Narendra Modi and is part of Digital India program, which is in vogue with aim of reducing the dependence on cash of Indian economy and revealing the black money. Meaning, cashless economy literally means cashless transaction. This arrangement, exchange of money or purchase and sale of goods, etc., is done through debit, credit card, mobile or internet rather than through the cash currency. In other words, when the cash flow in economy is negligible and all the transactions are done through electronic medium online, then it is called cashless economy. So basically, when the cash flow in the economy is negligible, that means nagarne. All the transactions are done through electronic medium, that is online. Then it is called cashless economy. Prevention of tax evasion, bringing transparency in transaction through digitization of economy. Conversion of black money into white money. Conversion of black money into white money. To check cases of corruption and embezzlement. To reduce the cost of printing currency notes and minting of coins. Researchers effort types. National Payment Corporation of India (NPCI). It is a non-profit organization established by RBI in 2008. By RBI. So here important fact is that NPCI is established by RBI in the year 2008 and registered under Section 8 of Companies Act 2013. Established by RBI, registered under the Section 8 of Companies Act 2013. It is envisioned as a parent institution for payment system in India. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. This organization does important work to promote cashless economy in India, develop system effort for cashless economy. Government efforts है National Payment Corporation of India, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, RuPay Card, YONO ऐप, भीम ऐप, UPI, demonetization, प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना. पर्सनल एफर्ट है पेटीएम, गूगल पे, फोन पे. क्रिप्टो करेंसी बिटकॉइन, ईथर, USD कॉइन, BNB. So here NEFT is National Electronic Fund Transfer in place of check written by National Electronic Fund Transfer through internet. Money less than rupees 2 lakh can be transferred from 1 lakh to same and other bank account by account holder himself. RTGS, real time gross settlement. Generally, the amount above rupees 2 lakh can be sent by account holder. Generally, the amount of rupees 2 lakh can be sent by account holder himself through the internet through real-time gross settlement method in any bank account of any account holder. IMPS, immediate payment service. It is an instant electronic fund transfer service that allows inter and intra-bank transfer. In simple words, IMPS helps customer to transfer funds one account to another instantly. So here types of card like Rupee card. It is a compound form of two words, Ru and rupees payment, which means the payment of rupees. It was developed by NPCI in the April 2011, while it was launched on 8 May 2014 by then President Pranab Mukherjee. This is India's indigenous payment system based ATM debit card. It is used like Visa and MasterCard. No, Visa and MasterCard are based on foreign payment system. UPI, United Payment Interface. Uniformity, I think. Unified Payment Interface. It is a new mode of online payment developed by NPCI and RBI and launched from 11th of April 2016, which facilitates interbank transaction. Means it was launched before the demonetization. Demonetization was done on 8th of November 2016. It is a system of sending money like NEFT and RTGS. It facilitates instant transfer of funds between two bank accounts on the mobile platform. It requires internet. BMAP, Bharat Interface for Money. It is modified form of UPI, which is mobile application developed by NPCI for financial transaction and launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi from Delhi on December 30, 2016. So just after 1 month of demonetization, it was launched.